This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
Well, it is yet another show and yet another theme. In fact, ये थीम जो है वो हम बड़े हंसी खुशी से निभाते हैं और सेलिब्रेट भी करते हैं क्योंकि it is बधाई हो. बधाई देते हैं to all those who've joined the organization newly, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months in the system. Today with me is Shashwat Sahni from the Tech Development Department based out of Gurgaon. Shashwat, it's so nice to have you on the show.
Same here. Very nice to be here.
How long in the system now?
Approximately 3.5 months.
इससे पहले कहाँ थे?
Airtel.
एयरटेल में टेक से लेकर अब एक ट्रैवल कंपनी में, मतलब ये एक अच्छा खासा शिफ्ट है. Are you enjoying the shift?
Yeah, definitely. This is a more of a tech company. That was more of a telecommunication company. So I used to get that कि हाँ यार सिम नहीं चल रहा, ठीक कर दो. आई एम ग्लैड कि यहाँ पर मेरे से कोई ट्रैवल वाउचर तो मांगेगा.
well, आपके घर वाले तो जरूर मांग रहे होंगे ट्रैवल वाउचर्स आपसे.
Yes.
है ना, उम्मीद तो होगी कि यार ले आओ, तुम्हें तो डिस्काउंट मिल रहे होंगे, हमको भी दे दो. पर सच्चाई कुछ और है.
या वो तो आपको भी पता है.
और ये सबको समझाते समझाते थक जाओगे तुम, है ना.
बहुत.
पर ट्रैवल खुद को पसंद है.
So maybe for an experience like a concert or a cricket match, I love to travel for that.
Oh, that's good. So you've traveled to other cities for concerts and for matches, huh?
Yes, I have.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hey, this is Ayush from Altaco team. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hey everyone, this is Monica from the online marketing team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hey, this is Rishabh from Sales and Marketing Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
बधाई हो है आज का थीम ऑन गो एमएमटी रेडियो और मैं बात कर रही हूँ शाश्वत साहनी से, टेक डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. सो यू हैव ट्रैवल्ड सो मेनी प्लेसेस, यू आर सेइंग फॉर एक्सपीरियंसेस. एक का बस नाम लेना, उसके बारे में डिटेल में बाद में बात करेंगे.
I went to Coldplay in Mumbai.
क्या बात है, इन मुंबई और द अहमदाबाद वन?
The Mumbai one.
हाय इसके बारे में जरूर बात करेंगे, बट राइट नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द रैपिड फायर राउंड. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, one word answers. Try to stick to one words, नहीं तो एक सेंटेंस चलेगा.
The rapid fire round.
How many languages can you speak?
2.5.
ये हाफ क्या है?
Punjabi.
Okay. What's your favorite book?
I am not a reader.
You're not one. Okay, hobbies क्या है?
Watching sports and listening to music and going for concerts and matches.
Dream destination कौन सा है?
London.
Childhood hero?
Sachin Tendulkar.
ओह, आपका आइडियल सुपर पावर क्या है, या फिर आपको क्या लगता है आइडियल सुपर पावर क्या होना चाहिए आपके पास?
Make India win the 2023 World Cup.
What is a hidden talent you have nobody knows?
I like to sing occasionally.
Best concert you've attended?
Coldplay.
Uh-huh. Which was the last movie that made you cry?
Made me cry. I think I watched it recently.
Oh, okay. What was your dream job as a child?
Cricketer.
Which means you still make time to play cricket.
Yeah, I do. I watched India losing the match yesterday as well. So.
Okay, last question. What's your favorite pizza topping?
Sun-dried tomatoes.
Oh, not bad. Very well done.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, पिल्स उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फरफराहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, भरभराहट, दबदबाहट, चटपटाहट, फरफराहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
On the show with Shashwat Sahni from Tech Development Department, जो कि बस 3.5 महीने, if I can say that, 3.5 months like he said, तो बधाई देते हुए ये शो का थीम जो है हम आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. तो शाश्वत, Coldplay concert was, I think, one of the best experiences you've had. Tell me a little more about it.
It was surreal. We didn't expect कैसा होगा experience. Whole lighting and the whole vibe was just too vibrant and too happy. There was so much of dopamine release. I think that was one of the most memorable experiences that I have ever had. And I would definitely recommend other people to go for a concert even if they don't listen to Coldplay.
Concert experience अलग ही होता है, but when they performed your favorite songs, how was it when they were on stage and you're the audience, you get to see your favorite artists live in action? ये कैसा था?
I definitely got goosebumps and I was emotional at times too when they played my many favorite songs.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hello Trippers, this is Kriti Nair from the Domestic Hotels team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Hello Trippers, this is Mansi from the HR team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Hello Trippers, this is Harshit from the MyBiz team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset go.
Headset go.
Attention Trippers.
जादू मेरी
नजर से याद आया, उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है. नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप. जाके डाउनलोड करना यार, जल्दी जा.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset go.
This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie and with me today on Badhai Ho is Shashwat Sahni from the Tech Development Department based out of Gurgaon. अब immersion induction programs मैंने सुना है MMT में खास करके बड़ा ही अलग है. In fact, very different from any other corporate. What was your experience?
Yeah, it was definitely amazing to know about all the products and all the things that MMT is working on. No organization, I think, focuses that much for maybe a new joinee to get to know about a lot of things about what is going on in the organization. So that was a very, very good thing, especially about the immersion program. Induction, it happens everywhere. It was similar, but the immersion program was really good.
Oh, good. तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस ट्रैवल कंपनी में आके, जो कि आपने ही कहा टेक कंपनी है बिल्कुल. How is it changing the travel scenario for consumers?
I think they are slightly ahead on the way they innovate and maybe work according to the market needs. Maybe if that's the experiences space that we recently encountered, that MMT was giving pilgrimage trips for the Mahakumbh Mela.
Right.
And I think that is one thing that makes MMT stand out.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi, this is Webhav from the Tech Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset go.
Hi, this is Pooja from CAM Corporate Channel and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset go.
Headset go.
Be curious to know how things work. Be creative by constantly looking for newer, better ways of achieving results. Be genuine in your care, be it for your colleagues, customers, or business. Hi, I'm Deep, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset go.
Well, this is the last segment of the show, really, where I play this lovely game called Never Have I Ever. And today with me is Shashwat Sahni from Tech Development Department based out of Gurgaon. Shashwat, are you ready for this game?
Yeah, let's go.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
I have in childhood.
Oh, हाथ पैर तोड़ दिया या तोड़वा लिया?
Both were safe.
Never have I ever read a partner's text messages.
Not really.
Okay. Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
No.
Oh, never have I ever sang in public.
I have. Somewhat, yes.
And it turned out well?
I guess.
Oh, good. Never have I ever played a musical instrument.
I have played a bit of keyboard.
Oh, good. Never have I ever used a fake ID.
No, I haven't.
Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
This answer is a lie for everyone.
Never have I ever lied on a resume.
No.
Okay. Never have I ever marched in a protest.
I have.
Oh, you have? What protest was this?
It was the Nirbhaya Kand.
Okay, well done. Never have I ever gone skiing.
No, I haven't.
Well, with that, we've come to the end of the Never Have I Ever. You did well. And it has been lovely having you on the show, Shashwat. I hope you had a nice time too.
Yeah, definitely. It was a great time I had, and I had a great conversation with you as well.
Thank you so much, Shashwat, for your time. There is a lot ahead of you at MMT. There is a lot that you will learn. There's so much that you will explore. All of it is going to make you a much better human being, but more importantly, a great professional. So all the very best to you, Shashwat.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to this journey.
Shashwat Sahni from Tech Development Department on my show today. बधाई हो, बधाई फिर एक बार आपको दे रही हूँ, Shashwat. With that, it's a wrap today of this show, and I will be back the day after with Bol Baby Bol. Till then, it's me, Annie, your host, signing off. You keep, making those plans to travel as well as stay cheerful.
ये लाइव क्या है ये लाइव जब घर में कोई बीमार हुआ तो वीके टीम ने कहा अलाइव हेल्प पर छाई काली घटा तो बोली हवा अलाइव अल्पर की फार्मेसी से ले लो अपनी दवाई डेंटल चेकअप और आई केयर भी है भाई अलाइव ये लाइव क्या है ये लाइव जब कोई हेल्थ केयर करता है तू अलाइव बड़ा प्यारा लगता है तो दिल करता है alive हेल्थ का हीरो बनने का है ये टाइम Alive एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो It's Prime Alive ये लाइव क्या है ये लाइव सिर्फ वी केयर फन मेंबर्स के लिए yeah
Good morning, make my trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.